What's up, family status? I hope everyone having a great morning, great evening, great afternoon. Today we're going to show you how to build a PVC pipe greenhouse. So for our PVC pipe greenhouse, we bought 7 of these 10 feet long PVC pipes. We made 8 of them 5 feet long, 4 of them 43 inches long, and 1 of them 55 inches long. And these that's 43 inches and the one that's 55 inches are the roof. 2 packs of snap clamps, 4 T's, and we bought 6 side outlet 90-degree sockets. First thing we're gonna do is dig 4 holes for our PVC pipes. And we'll dig our next hole over there. Okay, so now that we got our 4 holes, 1, 2, 3, and 4, we're also gonna dig a mini trench in between these holes so we can have something to bury the plastic. And we're only gonna do this on both sides and in the back of our greenhouse. We're not gonna do this in the front. So 1 right there, 1 in the back, and 1 right here. Now that we have our 4 holes and our 3 trenches around our greenhouse, now it's time to start putting our greenhouse together. First thing we're gonna do is take 2 of our 5 feet PVC pipes and we're gonna connect them using our 90-degree sockets. Make sure it's connected good to your 90-degree sockets. Just like this. Should look like this when you finish. The second thing we're going to do is take 2 of our T's and slide them on these PVC pipes. We're going to do the same thing on this PVC pipe over here. These T's are going to help us connect our roof. T. I'll just slide that on there just like that. So now that we're done sliding our T's on this side of our PVC pipe, we're going to use our 90-degree socket so we can connect our other PVC pipe over here, and we're going to slide 2 T's on this PVC pipe, the same thing we did on this side. Make sure it's on there nice and tight. Now we're going to slide our 2 T's on there. And guys, these T's, this is 3/4 and the opening end is 1 inch. That's why they're able to slide on there like that. And you have to make sure that you get 1 inch right here and 3/4 right here. Okay, so now that we have 3 sides of our PVC pipe greenhouse connected, all we have to do now is take 1 more of our 5 feet long PVC pipes and connect it using our 90-degree sockets right here. So this is how it should look once you're done connecting all your 90-degree sockets in your 5 feet long PVC pipes. So all we're going to do now is make sure they're nice and secure, and we're going to slide our T's towards the end. We're going to put 1 T right here, 1 T over there. We're going to do the same thing on this side. 1 T right here, 1 T over there. So now that we're done making sure every side is nice and secure on our greenhouse, we're going to slide our T's towards the end so we can get started on our roof. And when we slide it on this part, we're going to make sure this is pointing up like this. So your T's should look like this once you're finished. Now we're going to take 2 of our 43-inch PVC pipes and 1 of our 90-degree sockets, and we're going to connect them just like this. So now we're going to take this and connect it right there. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. It should look like this when you finish. And we're gonna do the exact same thing right here. This is how it should look after you connect the other side. Now all we have to do is connect one more piece, and that's our 55-inch PVC pipe. This is how your roof should look once you finish. This is how it should look once you put your 4 legs on your greenhouse. Now it's time to put the plastic over our greenhouse. So this is the plastic for our greenhouse. It's 10 feet wide, 25 feet long. We're going to take 2 of our snap clamps and we're going to connect our plastic to the top of our greenhouse. So you want to make sure you connect your snap clamps on both of the ends, one on this end and one over there. Perfect. It should look like that when you're done. So now that we got our snap clamps on the top of our PVC greenhouse, now it's time to stand our greenhouse up. So this is how your PVC pipe greenhouse should look once you flip it. See, we got this long plastic going right here. We're gonna cut this to wrap it around the sides of the greenhouse. We got our 2 snap clamps at the top. Now all we have to do is cut this plastic so we can wrap it around, fill our holes, and we're finished. This is going to be our greenhouse door. So we're just going to take one of our PVC pipes, roll it around like that, and we're going to snap clamp it. So this is our PVC pipe greenhouse. See, we use the cardboard for our greenhouse floor. We poke holes right here and right there, and we stuck twist ties through to keep up our greenhouse door. And we also put a thermometer in our greenhouse so we can monitor the temperatures.